I'll just keep it a secret forever. Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And while keeping trade secrets is a good thing, keeping your big invention a secret forever, not such a good idea. And let's go through why. Keeping a trade secret, meaning valuable information, valuable technology, manufacturing methods, business methods, ways to make money and profit is awesome. And it should be protected using your state contracting law attorney in your employment agreements and contracting agreements to make sure you govern the control of that information. That's really what trade secrets are all about, is enforcing who has what to what information and how you're protecting it. Now, let's not get too far along with trade secret law. The major reasons why you don't want to keep your big idea, your big valuable invention, a secret forever is threefold. First reason, you were banking on no one else ever discovering it on their own. Two, no one else invents it. And three, that no one in your company leaks it out, or that anyone in your company will decide, maybe I could do this on my own, as they leave your company and start up a competitor. Many states are pro competition, meaning your non-disclosure agreement will have some binding authority, but if you ever try to restrict either through a non-compete agreement, it's going to fail. And so trade secrets really don't have a lot of teeth, especially in states like California, where non-competes are unenforceable, meaning current employees could leave your company and start up a competitor company the next day. And you bet they're going to take trade secrets with them, even if they're really not trade secret at all. So banking on those three big things is a huge risk. If you've got something big, something that could be a market mover, you want to protect it with a patent filing. Let's look at three examples from the real world of inventors, companies that had trade secrets, big ideas, and they decided to go ahead and protect. Anthony Lewandowski. This is Uber and Waymo, the self-driving car trade secret battles. Waymo accused Lewandowski, as the engineer, of taking autonomous vehicle trade secrets to Uber. This is a few years back. Uber did ultimately have to pay Waymo $245 million just to settle the case outside of court. The lesson is when secrets move, enforcement becomes really messy. So trade secret triggered chaos, and lawyers won because they got to handle the matters, and companies lost millions of dollars because they were afraid of having to go to court. Two, Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook versus Connect to You. The early Facebook disputes revolved around the alleged idea misuse, not patented technology. So without patent protection at the outset, the fight centered about contracts and who owned what. There's a lot of finger pointing and a lot of expensive litigation that could have been sort of not even, could have been avoided had there been patents filed by Mark and his team. The third one is SpaceX. This is going back to Elon Musk. Again, SpaceX, rocket technology. Well, SpaceX, they filed patents on certain aerospace technologies instead of relying solely on secrecy. Why? Because rockets can be analyzed. Right? Competitors can purchase them, get a hold of them. Ex-employees can take parts and bits and then reverse engineer it. And that's a huge part of a physical product company, that if you sell your product to the free market, you bet competitors are going to buy it and figure out how you did it. And if they can figure it out, they will do it. And so if it's reverse engineerable, you should get a patent on it if possible. So you can't try to guard a trade secret forever, and it's not a good plan to just stay in hiding in stealth mode if you ever want to make money and have an impact in the world. So get hold of us at Bold Patents if you have any questions on how to move forward with your technology, and come out of the hiding. Don't keep a secret for too long. Let's get you patented boldly. Have an awesome day, everybody. Go big, go bold.